Walking is one of the easiest physical activity you can do. People walk like 3,000 to 5,000 steps per day. People engage in sedentary lifestyle activities 7.7 hours per day. To break that, we are going to walk 5,000 steps. Let's do this. Hey, as I was walking around, I realized two things. One of them is I'm walking slowly, I'm enjoying everything. And the second thing is I lost my step count. But I remembered something. 1.5 kilometers, the metric mile, it's equivalent to 2,000 steps. Walking downhill, that means it's going to be a very hard way back home. I think this is time for a drink, some water. I didn't brought any water. What do you think when you walk? Like, okay, I'm in kilometer 2, what I was doing 2 days ago. Now the sun has reached a high position. "6,000 steps, 5 kilometers, 3 miles. I did it. Sedentary lifestyle is a very well established cardiovascular risk factor. Walking is a way to fight this sedentary lifestyle. Step by step, you can improve your health. Walking is life.